it here. Welcome back to Do It at a Dime. Today, I'm sharing with you candle tricks you've never seen. You don't want to miss this video. I haven't done my job if your jaw's not on the floor by the end. I want you to save money this holiday season and all year round. First up, if you love taper candles, but you don't want to burn your house down, these window taper candles are amazing. And the outside is wax, so they look really realistic, and I love the flickering flame. They take 2 AA batteries, and they're on a timer. They set right into these Dollar Tree candlesticks, which mimic Pottery Barn candlesticks. Don't miss these. I keep sharing these in videos because you don't want to sleep on them. I love having things that are on a timer. It's so much easier. They've got a 3D flame, and they're pretty cheap. If you don't want to buy it from Amazon, they have LED taper candles from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to show you what these look like. Leave a comment down below. I was really impressed with the Dollar Tree candles, and here's how I use them easily. They take 2 AA batteries. You unscrew them just a little bit to turn them off, screw it back in, and set them inside. You can see here are the Amazon candles, and then compared to the Dollar Tree, I think they look really good. And we are just getting warmed up. Next time you're in Dollar Tree, pick up the tall pillar candles. We actually keep some of these in our emergency bin, but they come in all different colors. If you want a scent, you can customize it with Dollar Tree fragrance oil, and definitely grab some of their clear mugs because we're gonna make the cutest candle. You guys, this is my favorite gift idea this season. Fill a stock pot 3/4 of the way with water and put on low heat. In about 10 or 15 minutes, your candle will melt. You can push down on it to push the wax into the bottom, and then feed out the wick with a knife and save it because you're going to need it. Stick it in the bottom of your clear mug. You can add a little bit of hot glue to the bottom, but I found you didn't need it. The round disc perfectly fits into the bottom. When your wax is melted, you can pour it inside, and here is the fun part. I also did one with a cinnamon stick on the side, and then I was really inspired by the wax melts at Dollar Tree. You can customize the scents. And why? Because when you cut them down, they look like little caramels or little marshmallows, depending on what color you get. And this couldn't be easier. If you like satisfying, you're really gonna like this. The wax is going to start to harden, and it will take the longest to harden in the middle. But as the top gets a really thin layer, you can start to add these little chunky pieces right onto the top. And what's even better is when you light these. They are so gorgeous. Grab some of the mini mason jar candles. The throw on these is excellent for just $1.25. Then grab the ice cube molds. I got these in holiday shapes. You're gonna pour the wax in, and they pop out really easily. Now you have custom wax melts you can give as a gift. I like putting these back into the mason jars, adding a pretty ribbon. Give with your Irish coffee mug candles. How cute is this gift idea? And we are not done. Do you ever have a candle tunnel out? In other words, the wick kind of goes to one side and it burns unevenly. Wrap some aluminum foil around the top for an hour or so, and this will remedy the problem. Be sure to leave this video a big thumbs up if you're enjoying. That really helps me out a lot, and a comment down below. Here's a candle trick you might not have known existed. This makes a great gift idea, especially if you like long and drawn out baths. These floating candles, as soon as they hit the water, they turn on. This is so much fun for your kids in a bubble bath, and they're less than 50 cents each. I'll be sure to link them for you guys. And when it comes to battery operated candles, you can't go wrong at the Dollar Tree. You get 3 in a pack for $1.25. Grab some of the sparkly ribbon, and then you want to run to the ornament section. I found these super cute snowman, and they have tons that you could make little scenes with. Check this out. So the sparkly ribbon is actually a sticker, and it's the perfect width to fit around the tea light candles. You could use these as table scatter, but what I decided to do is take an old cookie jar, filled it with some Epsom salt, the little tea light candles, some of the mini trees from the Dollar Tree. This is adorable, and I already had most of the supplies on hand. This looks really cute out in our kitchen, and your kids can help make it too. Sometimes you just want to know, does the product work? The battery operated flameless candles from Dollar Tree I really like. This is a Do It at a Dime approved 5-star product. It looks really great with some of the little garlands, but my personal favorite trick is to get some cinnamon sticks from the Dollar Tree. You can hot glue these onto the outside of a flameless candle. They're not gonna fall off. And then I grab some of their gorgeous ribbon. My favorite is the lace ribbon, and I wrap this around 2 times, tie in a pretty bow. This is one of those DIYs that even a non-DIYer could do. If you're looking for that upgrade, the Simply Collected Luxury 3D Flameless Candles, you can put these on a timer for 4 hours. This is my new favorite thing. Look so realistic. These have definitely improved over the years. Look at the little wiggle that it does. It looks so real, and they are pretty inexpensive too. It's coming up on that time. Let's talk about wow centerpieces. All right, Dollar Tree has so many little tchotchkes. That's what I like to call these, like these mini trees. Take some E6000. You're definitely gonna wanna use E6000 or super glue. You can also get that at the dollar store. And a really cute ornament. I love this gingerbread one. Put it into a vase that you already have, fill with water, add some pebbles or stones or even wax to the bottom. It will sink. And one of the Dollar Tree floating candles. You can put this together in under 5 minutes. My sneaky trick for tablescapes this time of year is water. Always water. Add succulents, add stones. You can put together any event, any tablescape really quickly. The water just elevates it. Pro tip, distilled water is gonna look the best. Comment below if you remember this throwback. Take 4 Dollar Tree frames and bust out the center, hot glue these together, and you have lanterns. The Dollar Tree carries wooden 8x10 frames. Just add some of the berries to the center, one of the pillar candles. You could do the flickering light flameless version, which is what I'm all about, or the natural ones from the Dollar Tree. I remind you every video, but I especially want to remind you this season that you, my friend, are enough, more than enough. I'll catch you soon.